Hello, Bill. I wanted to make a quick video. So we've got your recap dimension board, 64 megs of RAM, 13W3 to VGA connector, original dimension 6-foot cable. I'm going to ship in this original NeXT box, which you don't see very often. And for customers wondering, here is my original NeXT authorized copier agreement. So I have full permission from NeXT and Apple still to this day. We just renewed it a couple years ago to, as you can see, use copying and distribution of the copies of the release of NeXTstep software. And that includes all the way up to Openstep 4.2. Here's some documentation announcing, I believe this is the release of version 2. And the release of version 3. I've also got the Y2K letters. I helped mitigate that back in the day for Apple. They wound up sending me a bunch of the customers, as their switchboard team, as you can imagine, was deer in the headlights as to what NeXTstep and Openstep were. And it was quite surprising to see a half semi-load full of software show up at one point. And we got it all taken care of for the NeXT community back then, and still do today in 2025. Bill, hey, I really kind of, state enough how much I appreciate your business and patience through all this. As you guys can see, no more cane. I'm walking around. I'm officially cleared yesterday to get back to golf if I want to. And life goes on. And I've got some neat Apple hardware that's starting to come in as well. I'll do some videos on that too, and stay tuned. More cool stuff to come from the black hole.